South College Library Tutorial, APA 7th Edition Paper Formatting Basics. The purpose of this tutorial series is to provide an example of the paper formatting basics of APA 7th Edition. Part 1. Paper Setup. The paper formatting requirements for students in 7th edition are a simplified version of the requirements for papers written for professional submission. To start, APA-style papers must begin with the title page. The text on the title page will start 3 to 5 double-spaced lines down and be center-aligned. The title of the paper will appear first in bold. On each subsequent line goes your name, your institution and department, the title or course number of your class, your professor's name, and the date that your paper is turned in. You'll use double-spaced lines throughout your paper. A page number is placed at the top right corner of each page with 1-inch margins on all sides. This paper uses Times New Roman 12-point font throughout. This specific font is not required for APA 7th edition, but your manuscript must use a single font consistently throughout your paper. Note: if your assignment instructions contradict APA formatting guidelines, follow the assignment instructions. Your professor's instructions supersede APA guidelines. The body of your paper starts on the second page with the title centered, bolded, and in title case at the top. Title case means that the first letter of each word is capitalized normally. Formatting the title like this sets it up as a Level 1 heading and serves as the introduction heading. A Level 2 heading is aligned flush with the left margin, bolded and in title case. Use headings to organize your papers into topical sections. Each paragraph starts with the first line indented. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact library staff or check out the library's APA 7th guide.